Hi everybody, Stan Slaughter with the Climate Friendly Yard Makeover. We're talking about starting a new garden. And what I did over the last fall was collect a whole bunch of leaves and leave them on here. Nice rich layer at the bottom. So the soil that we have is very moist, crumbly, and filled with nightcrawler holes. That one is a big dog. Anyway, this stuff has a terrible tendency. It's called gumbo in the farm world. And if you let the clods dry out, you can break windows with this stuff. This is an amazingly hard piece of ground and you can't work it. And so what I'm doing is I've spread nature-wise compost all over this while it's nice and moist. And I've got my handy dandy Ryobi 40-volt tiller. I'm going to loosen it up, break it down, and actually get it down to where the particle size is like this. And that compost will be mixed into it. We won't have to do anything else to it.